大学 大学 is mean university. And in here we have the sentence like 来年から大学に入ります。来年から大学に入ります。It means I start university in next year. Or it means I will start my university in next year. 大 is mean the big, right? 大 is mean the big, and 学 is mean learning or studying, or it means science, right? So they mean the knowledge in higher, in the big place. So it mean university, right? So when we put the kanji of dai, is mean big, the big thing, and kaku is mean learning. This means you learn the big thing. It mean when you put together, it can be like university. So in here they say 大学に入ります。It means you entrance to the university, or you go to the university. So they will say 大学に入ります。So the last moment we already learned about the place, right? 学校は大学の近くにあります。Right? This means my school is near the university. In here we have another compound word like this. 短期大学。短期大学。短期大学 is mean vocational oriented 2 or 3 year post-secondary. Vocational oriented 2 or 3 year post-secondary. 短期大学. The first we have the word 大学. 大学 is mean university, right? So if the university is mean that you have to learn about 4 years, right? 4 years. In general, university they will take 4 years to graduate. But in here we have 短期. For the word 短期 is mean the long, it's mean the short, right? 短 is mean short, 期 is mean the period. So it mean 短期 is mean the short period. The short period. So when we put the short period with the 大学 is mean university. It mean the short period of the university. This means just only 2 or 3 years. This means when you graduate from the secondary school and you don't want to go to the high school and you just want to learn something about something about the skill that you need to be your occupation, right? So this means you can learn something and to be your occupation. So this is about the 短期大学 is mean the short. It just take about 2 or 3 years to learn and graduate. After you graduate, you can go to work with the company or some place that you have the skill. You have the skill or you have that skill. So in the case like this, they say 短期大学. As in here we have the example sentence like 鈴木さんは短期大学の1年生です。鈴木さんは短期大学の1年生です。Which means 鈴木さん is in the first year of vocational school. In here we have 短期大学. 短期 is mean vocational school. And after that you have 1年生. 1年生 is mean first year student. Even to say 2年生 is mean 2年生 is mean 2-year student. That means you are in the second year of the school. But if we say 1年生 this means you are in the first year of the school. So in here we have 短期大学の1年生 which means first year of vocational school. 2年生短期大学の2年生 is mean the second year of vocational school. So maybe some place of a vocational school just have about 2 years. So if you are in the second year, that means you will graduate soon. So it's the final year of the school. 医学 is mean medical science. From the kanji of I is mean if you learn another kanji, you can know the oisha-san. Oisha-san is mean the doctor or the nurse. So the kanji of I is mean about the doctor or the nurse or about the medical. So gaku is mean learn or study. So that means you want to learn about the medical or about the doctor, right? Or about the hospital. So it means medical science. 医学 And in here we have example like 私はアメリカで医学を学ぶつもりです。私はアメリカで医学を学ぶつもりです。It means I plan to study medicine in America. I plan to study medicine in America. 医学 is mean medical science or medicine. 学ぶ is mean learning, right? So as the first, as we know that 学ぶ is mean learning or studying, right? So this means study medicine in America. Or you can create another sentence like 田中さんは日本で医学を学ぶつもりです。Which means 田中さん plan to study medicine in Japan. Or you can say 将来日本で医学を学びたいです。将来日本で医学を学びたいです。It means I want to learn